Tower Bridge was built in the Neo-Gothic style. Also known as Revival Gothic, this architectural movement began in the mid-18th century and continued far into the 1930s. One of the earliest Neo-Gothic buildings in England is Strawberry Hill House, located near Twickenham, which was designed by Horace Walpole in the mid-1700s. Neo-Gothic style is influenced by the architecture of the Middle Ages around the 1500s. You can easily recognize the style as the ornaments and decorations often resemble those of churches or castles. Many buildings in the Neo-Gothic style have turrets and towers as well as pointed arches. You can see these elements on Tower Bridge, whether you look at the building as a whole or more closely at its windows, balconies, and ornaments. Tower Bridges was designed by a team of architects and engineers led by Sir Horace Jones. Jones was the City of London's architect who also designed Billingsgate, Smithfield, and Leadenhall markets in a similar style, as well as other buildings across the city. Keep an eye on videos for the Billingsgate, Smithfield, and Leadenhall markets coming up soon. In Sir Horace Jones' team was Sir John Wolfe Barry, who later succeeded him. Barry's father was Sir Charles Barry, who designed the Houses of Parliament. One of the main reasons that Tower Bridge was built in the Neo-Gothic style was because of Queen Victoria's initial objection to a bridge being built in such close vicinity to the Tower of London. Tower Bridge's Neo-Gothic design was chosen to have a comparable aesthetic to the Tower of London and in order not to look out of place. When construction finally began in 1886, the architects aimed to ensure that it would last 99 years. Now, over 125 years later, Tower Bridge is still as strong as ever, testimony to the quality of its construction. However, there were some challenges to combining the architectural style with the modern Victorian technology behind it. To learn more about Tower Bridge, please visit www.towerbridge.org.uk in the description box below. Click the link for Tower Bridge. The nearest underground station to Tower Bridge is Tower Hill Station on the Green District Line or the Yellow Circle Line.